Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as always, please first subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, don't forget to comment and get some very sweet comments. We're coming to you live from my village here in Kenya, right inside Africa. And guys, today is crazy rain from here. It's raining cats and dogs, and rain is accompanied by a very strong wind. Very strong indeed, breaking anything breakable. Now, these are down in my home here. These are down, my neighbors' feet are down. My roof is almost leaving the house. This is almost going away. This one is very strong. So I saw it. Let me show you guys what's happening in the village. This one is the commencement of the elnino, but because things happen in Kenya, or which kind of rain is this one? If you ever experience this kind of rain, very strong wind, destroying crops, destroying anything, destroying trees, please tell me. That's not this kind of rain. Or this is the elnino rain. Today I come to my village. Let me show you around. It's very strong. In fact, it's more stronger than this one. I could not even record. Now the wind is a bit down, that's why I'm able to record it. I'm trying to show you around and show you nothing. And when the rain goes down, guys, I'll get you out of there, and we are going to access the situation right there. The level of damage, things broken down, what is done. I'm going to show you everything. So let me show you around the house as it rains. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video so many likes, very many likes guys, and also comment. God bless, and very good comment will encourage you to do the Lord. Thank you so much guys. Guys, we were expecting an elnino, not a storm. This is a storm. It's not El Nino. This is serious. My home is flooded. I need a boat. My home is, I need a, all my trees are down. And my home is flooded, guys. This is very, very serious. This is extremely, extremely serious. What kind of a rain is this one? My home is flooded. And the sky is not yet clear. It's like it's coming for the second time. Look at my garden, guys. The aftermath. Look at my cowpeas. Gone. Amaranth here. Gone. My avocado tree. Cows. My cows are shaking. Hello, cows. Say hi to the camera. How was this rain? Can you tell us what happened, cow? How was the rain? Mrs. Cow, tell us, how was the rain? How was it? Terrible. My cows are shaking. It's terrible. Look at my avocado tree. Oh my goodness. Oh, my fence is down. Seriously. My fence is down. My avocado tree is down, guys. And it's very, very serious. Look at my neighbor tree. Down. Look at that tree. My fence is down, guys. Look at my maize. Gone. This one, will it survive really? Which kind of rain is this one? My avocado tree that has taken me so many years. And in fact, I was expecting. The tree was expectant. Look at this. Gone. Esto se cuela el elnino.